Microsoft Access is a part of Microsoft Office and is an application for you to manage databases. So even if you don't have prior knowledge to database, you can easily start out with Microsoft Access because it is very, very user friendly. So once you double click and open up the application, you have this option to create a new file. You can also see the previous databases that you may have made, and you can access them as well. So to create a new file, I'm going to go to new right here, and I'm going to click on blank database because I want to start out fresh. You can also start out with template if you want to. But over here in this lesson, let's just get ahead and then go with a blank database. So once I click that, you can see that it asks me where I want to save the database right here. So I can go around, choose a folder where you want to save out the file right here. So I'm just going to go around and leave it to the documents folder itself. So I'm just going to leave it over there and click on create. So once I do that, you can see that this is what happens. The new database file has been created, and now you can see the database right here. So over here on the left side, you got the tables right here. And over here on the right side, you can see that this is the table file right here, and it can be controlled with the tab right here. You can go around, add in different sort of data types right here, as you can see, and then start working around with the database right here by adding in your data right here. So on the top, you can see that there's different options, menu options for you to work around with the data. For example, you can go around over here in table to control out different table properties. Then you can go around over here on the fields to work around with field properties. There's the help menu right here, database tools on over on this side. Then there's external data, create, and home right here. So you can go around and control out your data in different ways and manage multiple datas in different ways using database so that you can find and manage the data of your choice easily. So that has been the overview of the interface and an introduction on Access. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.